Hey everybody, it's Dr. Curtis. Good to see you guys. Happy New Year. This is a short video on healthy nutrition. There's a big difference between a nutritionist and a dietitian. A dietitian has to go through a very hard scientific bachelor's degree and become registered with the state to become a registered dietitian. And for your information, anyone can call themselves a nutritionist. So, fun fact, my dietitian friends, RDAs, will appreciate that PSA. So I'm going to talk about nutrition. A therapist, as you know, hands-on, we do manual therapy and we do exercise and stretching. And part of that is health and nutrition and controlling your weight. And so I'm going to be talking about periodically about nutrition and healthy living. I have to personally get my heart better in shape, and so along with that goes with less animal products and more plant-based eating. And so today I cooked a 99% vegetable hash for brunch. I'm going to show you that and what I did. I used one of my Christmas gifts, a brand new non-stick pan. You're going to use less oil with non-stick. And this is a potato, carrot, cauliflower hash flavored with Impossible Burger. That's right, a plant-based Impossible Burger. Now, I would not necessarily advocate just eating Impossible Burgers one after the other as your regular diet, because they have as much fat content as regular meat. So using Impossible Burger to flavor your dish is something that is very smart. So again, this is a vegetable hash, and what I did there to increase the flavor profile, I used kimchi. So it's kind of like an Asian salsa, and that's usually free as far as calories and really bumps up the flavor profile. If you look at the ingredients, they typically do have sugar and salt, and this one does not. So this is a good one. If you look down at the ingredients, there is some oil, onions, but no sugar and salt. So even sriracha, I thought sriracha was free calories, but it's not. Chili is the first ingredient, and the next is sugar, salt, and so that's why it tastes so good. So you do have to watch your ingredients and use things sparingly. But that's today's video, and I hope that helps you. Not only good aerobic exercise, but what we put in to our bodies is very important, because trying to lose weight with exercise alone is almost like bailing water on a sinking boat. So your output with exercise has to overtake what you're consuming. So I have to personally watch my snacking, TV watching. I think there's a direct correlation between the amount of hours we spend watching TV and the amount of snacking that we do. And also portion control is very important, and just having more healthy snacks available is important. So it really starts with planning ahead, not planning for failure, but planning for success, and that starts with your grocery shopping. Happy New Year, and don't forget to like and subscribe and send this to someone you care about. Take care.